I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here above this sign, you click on it. When just click here in this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, just click on options. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on push to talk here. Then you click here on recent contact overlay here. You click here in this sign. So like you see, so then you click here on open settings. Then it's going to take you to this list here. So then here you're looking for Zello app. You will find here Zello. You click on this sign. So when you click in this sign, that's mean it's enabled with us now here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.